Hi guys, it's Sin from Sin's Tumblers, and I'm here with the Epoxy Resin store, and today we're going to talk about Epoxy versus Mod-Podge when glittering a tumbler. So both of these can be used to adhere glitter, but let's go ahead and do it and see which one we like best. Alright, so let's start off with Mod-Podge. We're going to need a brush and our glitter. Let's go ahead and directly apply our Mod-Podge. We're going to apply it to the lower half of the cup. Okay, so I am just wiping it around. I think I need a little bit more. Okay, whoops. Some fell, but that's okay. Alright, so I don't want it to be too thick, because I'm assuming, just like epoxy, if we have it too thick, then our glitter will come out globby. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna lay a sheet down and let's go ahead and apply our glitter. We're using Ariel by Freedom Glitters. You can find this at the Epoxy Resin store. Okay, so let's apply the glitter. I'm just throwing it on there. Okay, and for the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna pat the glitter down. Hold on. Let me see, some came off. Not sure if that's supposed to happen, but instead I'm gonna roll it with the paper, because maybe my glove was just too, I used, a heavy hand. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we've Mod-Podged this, the glitter's on here. Let's go ahead and roll our cup. Okay. I'm just trying to pat the glitter down. It's kind of coming off. Let's use epoxy now. I'm going to measure out 5 milliliters of epoxy, so 2.5 part B and 2.5 part A. Now when we're pouring epoxy, we got to make sure that we use equal parts. If the parts are unequal, your epoxy is not going to cure and it's going to stay sticky. So it's really important to measure out equal parts. This epoxy, before we apply it on the tumbler, we got to mix it for about 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds. So make sure you're scraping the sides of the cup and the bottom of the cup. Alright, the epoxy looks like it's ready to go. I did grab a torch just to have it handy so that I can pop any bubbles that the epoxy leaves on the cup, just in case. Alright, so I'm going to take my cup. Remember, this side has Mod-Podge, so I'm not going to put epoxy on there. I'm just going to put epoxy on this side. Okay, so I'm applying a thin layer of epoxy. Just like I did with the Mod-Podge, I did apply a thin layer. Because again, if it's on there too thick, it may look globby, and we don't want that. We just want a nice thin layer. Okay, I think I have it all over my cup. Let's go ahead and apply our glitter. Okay, look at right here, I'm missing some epoxy. So I'm just grabbing my glove and moving it around. Okay, here we go. We're using the same glitter. Okay, so now we gotta pat this down. So usually when I'm working with epoxy, I just pat it down with my glove. Okay, nice. This we're just gonna return to our glitter bottle. And you know what, why don't we try rolling it, because that's what we did with the Mod-Podge too. Okay, perfect. Okay, the glitter is actually nice and flat on both of them. Now, so far, I do notice a bit of a difference. Not sure if you can see, but the epoxy side has a lot more coverage versus on the Mod-Podge side, there's a bunch of gaps. So that's one thing I'm noticing, but we'll see. So now we're gonna give this about 5 minutes to dry, and then we'll see how the tumbler is from there. Okay guys, I'm back. I actually ended up waiting about 10 minutes, so let's check it out. So let's see how well the glitter adhered to the cup. Okay, this one is the epoxy side. Okay. The glitter is nice and stuck on there. So this one, we're ready to add a layer of epoxy to cover the glitter. Now let's check the Mod-Podge side. Ooh. This one, okay, look at that. This is the epoxy side. This is the Mod-Podge side. The glitter is just coming off. Yeah, look at that. It's just coming off. So I would say that when you're adhering glitter to your tumbler, for me, I'm probably going to use the lightning cure. I'd say the lightning cure is definitely the winner today. You know, I don't know. It's not tacky anymore, so I know it's dry. I don't know what happened. So epoxy is definitely the winner for me. I mean, look at the difference, you guys. I even added this one first and let this one dry longer. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Definitely, like I said, the winner is lightning cure. I love the way that epoxy holds the glitter and the way that it seals the glitter as well. So we have a winner. Sorry, Mod-Podge. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Epoxy Resin Store's YouTube channel, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.